Hi, Elisa here from Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and I'm here to give you a sneak peek of the Edmonton Motor Show. Once a year, Toyota hits the road and makes a stop at the Edmonton Motor Show to bring you everything that's new and exciting. Get a close-up look at the Toyota Mirai. Under the hood, no gas, no diesel, no big battery. This innovative sedan runs on hydrogen, and it could change the way we drive forever. Have some fun at our virtual reality booth and learn all about Toyota Safety Sense, which includes your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, and so much more. Making its first Canadian appearance is the highly anticipated 2019 RAV4, with a rugged exterior, increased ground clearance, and advanced safety features such as a heat-sensing camera and bicycle detection. You'll see the brand new Corolla hatchback, the 2019 Avalon featuring real wood and aluminum trim and Apple CarPlay, and feast your eyes on the new colors of the year. Need a bigger reason to visit the motor show? How about a chance to win your very own 2018 Toyota Camry XSE V6? Built on the Toyota new global architecture platform, it features LED headlamps, an extended wheelbase and wider stance, and a beautiful redesign inside and out. So be sure to make a stop at the Edmonton Motor Show and come and say hi to all of us here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And as always, until we see you, drive safe.